Hello all, welcome. So today we will see how Gemini we will use for the multimodal retail recommendation. So let's see the overview. So we are using this for the retail companies. So suppose in the retail company, whenever we go to any company, we have different item are there. So we need recommendation, means which item we need to purchase, and there are what are the different type. So in the same way, we will see how the Gemini, using Gemini we will use the recommendation system, and we will use this for the multimodal capability, and we are using Gemini Pro Vision model for this. So the objective of this is that here we will learn that how Gemini will be used for creating a recommendation system that can provide us both the recommendation as well as the explanation using a multimodal model, and we are using the for this Gemini Pro Vision. So in this lab we will begin with a scene, means suppose there is one living room, and in the living room there are suppose different chair. We want chair for this room. So if we go to any retail store, there are different chairs are available. So we need the recommendation, means for suppose the living room, which chair should be suitable. So Gemini Pro model will give us the recommendation that which chair will be suitable for the living room. So we will learn in this lab that how to use the Gemini Pro Vision model to perform visual understanding, then how to take multimodality into consideration in prompting for the Gemini Pro Vision model, and lastly how the Gemini Pro Vision model can be used to create retail recommendation application out of the box. So let's now set up the lab. So in setup we just need to start our lab. So let me start. It will take 1 or 2 minutes for this lab to set up. So now the lab is set up. Now we will open the console page. So here automatically it will enter the username. Now we will enter the password. Now we are logging into the lab. So this is the Cloud Google Cloud console. Okay, so the task first is we need to open the Python notebook and install the packages. So for this we need to go to Google Cloud console and navigate to Vertex AI workbench. So let me search this in the console. So if you can see, there are different options. So we need to open this workbench. So now the workbench is open. So in this we need to open the user managed notebook, and then click on the open Jupyter lab, and we click on this user managed notebook, and here this open Jupyter is available. So let's click on this open Jupyter. Okay, now it's open. Now we need to open this Python 3 under the notebook. So let me click on this. So here this is the lab for our the next step. So this is the Jupyter lab. We need to install the Vertex AI SDK for the Python by running the following command. So let's copy the command. We can execute this command using this option. So this option is the run option. So let me click on this. So it's get installed. And the next step, to use the newly installed package in this Jupyter runtime, it is recommended to restart the runtime. So for this there are two steps. First we will restart the kernel by running the below code snippet or clicking the refresh button at the top, followed by the clicking restart button. So we will copy this command and restart the kernel. Let me execute. Okay, so it's status okay and restart true, and one pop-up is there that kernel restarting, so we need to click on OK. So the kernel is restarted. Okay, so the next step is, so we already seen this that our kernel is restarted. So next we need to execute this command. So this is the output. Second task is use the Gemini Pro Vision model. So in this Gemini Pro Vision model is the multimodal that support adding images and video in text or chat prompt for the text response. So we need to load the Gemini Pro Vision model using following code. So let's execute this code. So our multimodal is available now. Now we need to execute the below code, that is the helper function. So let's execute this. Okay, so next the third task is visual understanding with Gemini Pro Vision. So in this we need to use the Gemini Pro model to describe a room in detail from its images. To do, we have to combine text and image in a single prompt. So now we will execute this below code snippet. So after execute this, we can see one image is available. So its prompt is describe what's visible in this room and overall atmosphere. So this is our request, and in the request we receive the response according to this image. So if you can see, this is the living room with a cream colored sofa. So it give us it explain us the image that in this image we can see the living room and the sofa is in the cream colored sofa, and a white coffee table is available and a cream colored rug, and this is the there is a gray chair. So if you can see it explaining the image, means all the item of the image one by one. So this is the Gemini Pro. Using Gemini Pro model, we can see that if we provide any image in the request, so we will receive the response whatever we want, means as per the our request. So here we are requesting what's available in this room and overall atmosphere, so according to that we are receiving the response. So let's for the next step, uh, generating open recommendation based on built-in knowledge. So here using the same image, we will ask the recommend a piece of furniture that will fit it in alongside with the description of the room. So now we will ask the Gemini Pro model that which piece of furniture would be suitable with the above image. So for this we will execute the below code snippet. This code snippet, so here we will providing the request that recommend a new piece of furniture for this room, means for this above image, and explain the reason in detail. and explain us the reason in detail. So let us execute. Okay, so this is the response. So it will giving us the response, like first it explaining us the room, means what type of room it is, and which type of furniture is suitable. So it will give us the recommendation based on that. So here is the response will we received. Now next we will ask Gemini Pro model that which type of chair will be fit in alongside with the description of the room. So let's execute this code snippet. So here we will asking that describe this room, then recommend a type of chair that will fit in it. So let me execute this. Okay, so now we will receive the response that it describing the room. So if you can see, this is the living room. So that's the same in the response, that this is the living room with a modern style, and this room is decorated in natural colors with white walls and with wood floor. So all of the explanation are available here, and with the type of chair. So in the below it's suggesting us the chair. So a good type of chair to add to this room will be a wing bank chair. A wing bank chair, so it's suggesting us the wing bank chair. So what is wing bank chair? So it's also describing the wing bank chair. So it is the type of chair that high back and sides, which make it very comfortable to sit in. So see, this model is Gemini Pro model is very advanced. So if we given if we give us this image, so it will describing us this image as well as providing us the suggestion, means which type of chair should be suitable for this living room. And if we ask the additional question as well, means which type of frame should be suitable for in this living room, so that will also it will suggest. Now suppose the next recommendation. So suppose if we want the different type of chair with images, means to see really see, means how that chair will be look like. So we will provide the images. So let me execute this code. So this code is for the different type of images, the images of the chair. So see, it's suggesting us the chair for the living room. So see, these are the different type of chair with the image it's suggesting. So and it's explaining, means which type of chair should be suitable or which type of chair is not suitable. So if you can see, there are uh, there are four chairs it's recommend us. Okay, and now the room. So if you can see in the response, chair 1, so this chair would not be appropriate for the style of the room, because the room is very modern and minimalist. The chair is very traditional and rustic. So it's suggesting us that this first chair would not be good for this living room. So let's see which chair should be would be appropriate. So if you can see, the chair 2 will be the appropriate for the style of the room, and the chair 4. So two chair it's suggesting us that which one should be appropriate for this living room. So chair 2 and chair 4 will be appropriate. So if you can see the image as well, so it's giving us the proper recommendation, because this chair would be really appropriate as per the color and design of the living room. And this chair is also looks good if we add this in the living room. So uh, this is the recommendation from the Gemini Pro model. we receive the output same as here. Now you can also return a response in JSON format to make it easier to plug recommendation into a recommendation system. So let's execute this code snippet for this. Okay, now it's giving us the response in JSON format. So if you can see, this is our JSON format, means it's in the key value pair. So for first chair, it's showing chair 1, it's showing fit, means will it be fit in this room or not. So the response is false, means it will not be suitable in this room. So let me show you the image of chair 1. So this is the chair 1. So Gemini Pro model suggesting us that this chair should not be suitable. So it's right. It will not look good look good in this living room. So let's see which chair it's suggesting now. So same chair 2 and chair 4 it's suggesting. So the chair 2 and chair 4 images are, so this is chair 2 and this is chair 4. So this suggesting the same chair, but only we are receiving the response in the JSON format, so that it will be easy for us to understand. So the same response we receive. So this is all about this lab. So in this lab we saw that using Gemini Pro model, how we can use this for recommendation for living room. Means suppose here we have used it for the living room suggestion of the chair or different item. Likewise we can use it for the different for office, for kitchen. So for different area we can use this. So this is really good advantage of the Gemini Pro. Thank you for watching this, and please like and subscribe to the video.